What's going on, you guys? Uncle Jesse here. The Avengers Endgame spoiler ban is officially over. That means it's time for us to 3D print some amazing replica props from the movie. Let's get things started with a really simple one-day build where you can make your own Avengers Endgame time travel GPS device. Let's check it out. All right, and here's the finished prop. This file was created by Jon Cleaver and is available for you to download over on My Mini Factory. It's a free file for you to download and print. It is super easy to work with. I ended up printing the body components of this prop on my Zortrax Inkspire Resin 3D printer. You can easily print this on a standard FDM printer. What's really great about this prop and project is it can be pretty much printed on any printer of any size, assuming you have a 3D printer, from anything super small to super large. Should be able to crank this out, especially on an FDM printer. It'll probably take all of 3 hours for you to print, and then do some light sanding, some spray painting, and you're good to go. I'm still not 100% sure on the color combinations of this. We'll have to wait till we get some better screenshots, or maybe some toys from, or some photos from Hot Toys on this. But I thought this was a really cool, easy one-day build that if you guys have a 3D printer, you can run off and make for yourself. Also, one additional thing that's really nice about these files is that there are multiple band options for you to print and work with here. I had to just run off and print a few different variations to find the appropriate size that worked for me. And then just a little piece of filament slides in there to hold everything in place. So really, really cool. No glue really needed, and the other pieces just snap in there. This is also the first time that I've used the Alclad Airbrush paints for the glossy black and chrome, and I think it looks really nice. I'm not sure how it turns out in the video, but in person it's this really nice metallic chrome look to this, and I can't wait to apply this to some of the larger props that I have. And like I said at the beginning of the video, the Endgame spoiler ban is officially over. According to the Russo brothers, you're gonna see lots of stuff over online. Are already seeing tons of stuff online, so if you haven't seen the movie, make sure to see it. I'm heading out to see my second viewing of it this week, which I'm very excited about. But I have a lot of other projects in the works that I'll be sharing with you guys. One that I'm trying to see if I can get done later this week that I'll be sharing with you guys, and another hopefully in a week or two. It's gonna be a little bit more of a complex build, but very excited to bring it to you guys. So make sure to stay tuned. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Do lots of replica props, lots of 3D printing, lots of other random things here. Also, let me know in the comments what kind of props you'd like me to make from Avengers Endgame. Love to hear your guys' thoughts on that one. Hey, thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.